We're into the bottom of the fourth inning of the scoreless game, and you have a good look behind the scenes. Some of you don't get a chance to do it, and it's Mascot Day in the TV truck. So let's take a look and see what it looks like.
Oh, Frankenstein. It looks great. That's our crack crew. I'm partial to the St. Bernard.
And the amazing part is they've done just an outstanding job today. You know, it was their idea to come with that crosstalk.
Yeah, it was fun seeing them all on the field before the game. High energy guys.
Yes.
That's what you want for that position.